Namaste. I'm Ms. Divya Bagaitkar, 22 years old, from the city of Thane, Maharashtra, has got the privilege to represent our country, India, in Miss Heritage International 2016. Being a psychologist by profession, helping others and inspiring them has always been a motto that I have nurtured throughout my life. I'm a trained classical dancer and an avid reader. I'm a staunch believer of karma. I'm standing here today. I owe all to my parents and my mentors who believed in me and supported me. My motto in life is never give up till you chase your dreams. Welcome to the land of culturally rich and diverse country, India. The name India is originated from the Indus Valley civilization. My heritage for me are my values that are transferred from my ancestors to the future generation. We term it as Parampara, which represents our nation's identity. Culture for us is a Sanskriti, and we Indians believe in following it throughout our life. Dance is a part of our rich cultural heritage, and it is as varied as the land itself. Music has inspired not only to our country but also globally. India has largest population of tribal in the world, and we Indians believe as tribals are the part of our life, and we refer to them as Adivasis. We Indians love to eat, and our eating habits are as varied as the land itself. But the staple food of my country consists of wheat, rice, milk and lentils. People in India are very humble and calm, and they believe in spreading love and peace wherever they go. The national language of my country, India, is Hindi, even though there are 22 other regional languages spoken all across the country. India is blessed with rich and vast heritage. And I'm proud to announce you all that India has 35 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The nature and the environment of my country makes it a beautiful and serene place for you all to visit. India is the birthplace of two major religions in the world, Hinduism and Buddhism. But Christianity, Islam, Jainism and Sikhism are the other religions which are still practiced even today. I should be selected as the Heritage Ambassador for my country because for me, my heritage is a representation of who I am as a person. And I believe in nurturing my country's heritage the way I would nurture a small kid with love, care, and spreading the message of peace. I would like to promote the rich cultural heritage of my country by spreading awareness to the kids who are the future generation of my country. And you all should visit my country, India, because we believe in Atithi Devo Bhava, guest as a first honor, where we believe in giving them love, care, honor, and nurturance the way they deserve. My country itself is unique in its way, but my country's unity in diversity makes it a very unique country from all. And we believe in facing the challenges with unity. So here I am, coming to spread my country's culture with love, peace, and harmony. So see you all at Colombo, Sri Lanka 2016.